talk about investing?
I was thinking with the mobile wave that if you can digitally transform all that stuff, you're going to create trillion-dollar companies. So that's what I did. So you find me in 2020, and I bought Facebook stock, I bought Apple stock, I bought Amazon stock, I bought Google stock, right? I rode that wave. What's the trick? You buy the dominant digital network while everybody tells you you're stupid. You hold it and you wait. And then now, how many people are going to tell you you're stupid that Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Apple will never work? Nobody, right?
Yeah, of course.
18-year-old, 6-year-olds are going to tell you that obviously Amazon, Facebook, Google, and Apple work. But if you went back to 2010, you know what people would have said? The smartest hedge fund guys on Wall Street, they would have said, if Apple stock doubles, we're going to sell your Apple stock and diversify your portfolio because we're going to do good risk management because it's too
Listen to this. This is exactly right.
risky to hold Apple if it doubles. So what are you going to do? We're going to buy other computer companies. They used to say that to me, and I said, well, guys, the problem with your strategy is that if Apple is able to dematerialize all these other computers, then Apple's going to eat every other computer company, and you won't need any of the other companies. And so you're going to be selling the winner to buy the losers. And every time you diversify, you're basically converting the winner into the loser. We got to a point, Peter, where Apple made 150% of all the profit in the mobile phone business, which means that collectively every competitor lost half as much as Apple made so that they could compete against them. And so you see the fallacy of selling, of diversification. And the same has happened in retail. Amazon won, Walmart kind of kept up, and the next 2,500 retailers lost.
Mm-hmm.
And if you had sold Amazon to diversify, right, the world's richest man is, or Jeff Bezos is rich because he didn't sell. So we saw that play out. And now let's talk about Bitcoin, right? What is Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is digital transformation of gold, maybe. Maybe Bitcoin is digital transformation of property. More interesting. Bitcoin is digital transformation of money, very politically charged, ideologically charged term. People fight over what money is. And Bitcoin is digital transformation of energy. No one's got their head around that yet. But all these things are things that Google, Apple, Amazon, and Facebook did not figure out how to digitally transform. And they're so profound that people staring at them, right? The traditional Wall Streeters are like the Kodaks staring at digital photos, and they still haven't quite got their head around the implications, right? And ultimately, you want to make a lot of money on digital photos, you'll probably do it via Facebook or Instagram, more likely even than you'll do it by creating a digital camera. So I just think we're the next decade. It's just a continuation of the digital transformation of everything in the 20th century. Mark Andreessen had this phrase, software is eating the world. Right? Smart people have said Bitcoin is just software eating money. But I think the problem with the phrase software is eating money is it makes it so politically, ideologically charged and controversial or confrontational that people's brain kind of cuts off and they either decide they're against or they're for, and you don't really get any further. So I think it's a lot more constructive to think of it in terms of digital transformation of property or digital transformation of energy, because those are less politically charged terms. They're not so ideological, they're more technical. It's just a technology.
And you're fighting to...
That is amazing. Thank you, Michael. Thank you very much. Peace out. I guess you have to get out of full screen in order to peace out.